it's me, Harper Savage, and today is the last month of our DIY calendar. We got December, and today I'm going to be using my Neo Color 2s. So let's get started. I'm debating on what colors I'm making these. I don't know what this thing is. So I'm gonna do that last probably. And I don't know what these round things are either. I'm assuming they're like cake pops or something, or just chocolate maybe? Also, like, look at the gingerbread's face. Like, why is the mouth so far down? And then this image got like a little cut, or the line's missing or something. I don't know. This was not the best one to end on, in my opinion, but still, you know what? We did the rest of the months. We must move on. Alright, I think it is dry enough for me to start going in with finishing touches and line art. I'm going to be using a mix of Poscas and Sharpie for some details, and I'm going to be using my Fudenosuke brush pens for the outlines. Okay, I think I'm done now. So for over here, this is like tissue paper or something in a basket. I did gold lines for the folds because I thought maybe it like had a gold sheen to it, and once it gets folded you could see it more. I know what I have in my mind. I don't know if you understand what I mean though. And I added some more gold details and stuff. I did have a hard time with the cookies because they were just weird shapes and I feel like they had way too many extra lines on them. And yet again, I ignored the shadow. I don't know. I don't like the shadows and having an outline for a shadow. It's weird. So now we're finally done with the whole DIY calendar. It was fun. I recommend trying something like this out. Maybe not necessarily this calendar. Maybe like making your own or something, or finding somebody else's to color in. It was fun to have something to color in each month. But that's gonna be it for me. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!